Yes, I made a promise that I will make this video anytime I want to buy coin that technically is potential to go up. This is not a financial advice. So let's just get into this video quickly. Go to your Binance account. If you don't have Binance account, I'm going to leave a link in the video description. Make sure you have KuCoin account, I get.io account. This three account, you'll be able to find various coin if they are not on Binance. So on this video, in this video, I'm going to be using Binance. So go to this under listing over here, listing, press more, pressing more. I'm going to use this STG as an example to let you understand what I'm talking about. Let me use one day. Let me use daily time frame. As you can see over here, when this coin launched over here, it went from 33 cents to up to $1. So on my previous video, I asked you to not to rush, allow this coin to come down. Then the coin eventually come down to 34 cents. Then this is where you buy. Let me press this option, this indicator over here. When the price trade back to normal price, when this get listed on Binance, this is where you are going to buy this coin also. Let me now go back. This SYN. I'm going to buy this coin right now. If you want, this is not a financial advice. If you want to buy this coin, you can buy it at the range of $1.07 or 0.98 cent or 99 cents. This is not a financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you take any step. As you can see, this goes up. I made a video that this coin is going to trade back to this level. Then make sure, if you are willing to put some money aside, and the money you are not looking forward to use tomorrow, so don't invest in cryptocurrency. Make sure you buy this, you are willing to hold this maybe 2 to 3 months, and make sure you buy it at the right time, because don't buy this coin at when Bitcoin is going down. Just try to check the price of Bitcoin, then enter in this trade. So make sure I will leave a link in the video description, the Telegram group. So I'm going to make this post when I buy this coin on Binance, if you want to know anytime I buy this coin. So I'm going to buy this coin in few hours or in few days, so when this reach my target. So if you want to stay updated and you want to know anytime I buy this coin or any other update, you don't want to miss any update on my channel, make sure you click the link in the video description to join my Telegram group. So don't send money to anyone. I'm not asking anybody to pay me, just to stay updated on my channel. And make sure you like the video and turn up your notification bell. So I'm going to update you guys. Make sure you invest money you are willing to lose. I just show you the previous strategy and how it works. So I want to repeat the same strategy over here. This is not 100% guarantee trade. Yeah, nothing is 100% sure. So if you want to invest in this coin, make sure you are willing to hold this like 2 to 3 months. In 2 to 3 months, it's possible to have 200 return on investment or 3x or investment. If Bitcoin go up now, this can easily do 5x or 10x. This is not a financial advice. Just take this at educational purpose.